The most popular standby generator isn't always the best one for your home. Everyone talks about brand names and big wattage, but when the lights go out, what really matters is reliability, noise level, and how it handles real-world loads. Let's cut through the noise and look at 5 generators that actually deliver when you need them most. Product number 1, Honda EU2200i. First up, the Honda EU2200i. This thing's been a legend for years, and for good reason. At 46.5 pounds, it's not the lightest, but it's built like a tank and runs quieter than a normal conversation, just 48 to 57 dBA. That means you can leave it running all night during a storm without annoying your neighbors or waking up your kids. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're using it for camping, RV trips, or as backup for essentials like a fridge or medical device, the clean, stable power from Honda's inverter tech is a lifesaver. It won't fry your electronics like cheaper generators might. Plus, with Eco Throttle, it runs up to 9.6 hours on one tank, perfect for overnight outages. You can even pair 2 of them for 4,400 watts if you need more juice. Now, some people complained about the lack of electric start. It's pull start only. Here's the thing though, that also means fewer parts to break and it's one less battery to maintain. If you don't mind a little elbow grease, it's actually more reliable long-term. This is perfect for you if you want ultra-quiet, dependable power for sensitive electronics or outdoor use. Skip this one if you need to power your whole house. It's better suited for targeted backup. For portability and peace of mind, it's hard to beat. Product number 2, Generac Load Manager. Now, if the Honda's limited wattage worried you, this next one isn't a generator at all. It's a smart add-on that makes your existing system way more efficient. The Generac 7000 Load Manager helps prioritize which circuits get power during an outage, so your fridge and furnace stay on while less critical loads get cut. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most standby generators can't power everything at once. This module uses wire-free tech to monitor frequency and automatically shed non-essential loads when demand spikes. You can manage up to 8 modules, and the LED indicators let you see what's running without opening the panel. It's like giving your generator a brain. Now, some people complained it doesn't work with non-Generac systems. Here's the thing though, if you already have a Generac standby unit, this is a game changer for managing power during long outages. It's not a standalone solution, but as a companion, it's brilliant. This is perfect for you if you have a Generac generator and want smarter load control without rewiring your whole house. Skip this one if you're using a different brand or don't have a compatible setup. At $162, it's a small price for big control. Product number 3, Ma Expedingrads 2400W. Alright, that was a smart accessory. But if you want a budget-friendly portable inverter with modern features, check out the Ma Expedingrads 2400W at just 33 pounds. It's one of the lightest in its class, and it includes Bluetooth app monitoring, something you usually see on pricier models. That's huge if you're camping or want to conserve fuel during a storm. The 2400 watts is enough to run a fridge, lights, and small AC unit, and the inverter tech keeps power clean for phones and laptops. Now, some people complained about the short runtime, only about 6 hours at half load. Here's the thing though, for the price and weight, it's a solid trade-off. It's not meant for 24/7 backup, but for weekend trips or short outages, it shines. This is perfect for you if you want app control and lightweight portability without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need long runtime or heavy-duty power. At $571, it's a steal for the tech it includes. Product number 4, 5000W Dual Fuel Inverter. Now, if you need serious power and flexibility, this 5000-watt dual fuel inverter is a beast. It runs on gas or propane, gives you 3,800 watts continuous, 5000 peak, and includes electric recoil and remote start, so you can fire it up from your porch during a storm. The co-sensor automatically shuts it off if levels get dangerous, which is critical for indoor or enclosed use. Plus, with parallel capability, you can double the output to 7,200 watts by connecting 2. Now, some people complained about the weight. 60 pounds isn't easy to move alone. Here's the thing though, it has a heavy-duty handle and compact design, so with 2 people it's manageable. And for the power it delivers, that weight is expected. This is perfect for you if you need home backup, RV use, or job site power with maximum flexibility. Skip this one if you only need occasional camping power. At $982, it's a powerhouse with real safety and convenience features. Product number 5, Generac 200 amp transfer switch. Finally, if you're installing a whole home standby system, you can't skip the transfer switch. The Generac 200 amp automatic transfer switch handles the heavy lifting, switching power from grid to generator in seconds when the outage hits. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Without it, your generator can't safely power your home. The integrated DPM manages up to 4 HVAC units, so your furnace and AC don't overload the system. Now, some people complained about the installation complexity. It's not DIY friendly. Here's the thing though, this isn't a plug-and-play unit. You need an electrician, but that's also what makes it safe and code compliant. Skipping professional install could be dangerous. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a permanent standby generator for your entire home. Skip this one if you're using a portable unit or don't have a compatible generator. At $1,230, it's a necessary investment for whole home peace of mind. So which one's right for you? The Honda EU2200i for quiet, reliable portable power. The Generac Load Manager if you want smarter control. The Ma-X Speedingrods for budget-friendly app monitoring. The 5000W dual fuel for serious home or RV backup. And the Generac transfer switch if you're going full standby. Each solves a different piece of the puzzle. Pick the one that matches your real needs, not the hype.